Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Welcome back
We
to
have
the
a
10x
liftoff.
Game Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Sunday, August 24th. It's 10:50 p.m. XRP is at $3.04. And man, I've been making these videos at 10:30 every night. Let's dive right into it, guys. Let's check out the chart, see what's going on. Let's look at the weekly close. Wow, look at this chart. Up and then slaughtered down. Let's see what happened. Let's get into the charts. Taking a look at the weekly, guys. We had the weekly close tonight. Yeah, we're just 2 hours into a new week. Look at that week. It's a red candle, large tail, close. The upper candle is the body, and here we are, guys. We started a green week. We did come down with a slight tail to 297, and we are pushing up a little bit. If we zoom in a little bit on the 4 hour, you can see it's been a volatile day. And this is that candle. Let's zoom in a little bit closer to the hourly. Wow, where we got slaughtered down. We came all the way up to 313 actually, and then we came right down to 299, right to $3, and kind of been consolidating around that $3 range. And we currently are breaking up and out of the $3 range. So this is looking good. We are ultimately just consolidating sideways. We do have a potential double bottom here. Finding support here at the 298 range and pushing back up. Taking a look at the 4 hour, I would suggest that this wick needs to get filled. So I would definitely say that we are going to be heading back up there, guys. RSI is reset, ready for a massive run. We've been consolidating sideways, so could this week be big? I think it will be, to be honest with you. It's the last week of the month. We've got a lot going on here. Just going to the daily, with this daily here. Let's clean this chart up a little bit. This thing is ugly. Let's get rid of some stuff. But looking at the daily here, we've just been kind of consolidating. We had another red day, and we are starting to look very bullish for the day of Monday, starting this new week off. We do have that, that bull pennant here, something like this. Very, very rough, sloppy drawing. But we are consolidating in this range. And so, as you guys can see, the next level of resistance is potentially at 316. But ultimately, this 333 range here is another big resistance. And then we'll be back up to 360. So, could this be the week, guys, where we see massive action, where we break out of this pennant? And you already saw where the technical target was. Technical target for this breakout up around 460, past the $4 range. So let me know what you guys think if we could push all the way up there this week. Is it possible? Let's look at the monthly. We got 1 week left of this month. This month hasn't done anything. Can you believe we went a whole 30 days without doing a dang thing? Pretty much. Can this week turn us around? Let's see, guys. Let's see if we can push up, get way past, close the month way past 360. I'd love to see that. Like I said, looking at the weekly, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 weeks of just sideways nothing. And then this could be the week, guys. This is the big week. So I will be keeping you guys updated along the way. I am very excited for what's about to happen with the price. Let's take a look at X. If you guys don't follow me at official NDE. Let's get into it, though. We had that flash crash, Bitcoin flash crash today, which wiped out $310 million in long positions, has been traced to a single Bitcoin whale dumping Bitcoin for ETH. The whale sold 24,000 Bitcoin, including coins that hadn't moved in over 5 years, sending over 12,000 Bitcoin today alone to the Hyperunite trading platform. So I guess they sold over 18,000 Bitcoin, which is over $2 billion. You're in the process of dumping. So, guys, that's kind of the explanation, I guess, for today's massive red candle here. If we look at Bitcoin, you can see, yeah, Bitcoin just fell off a cliff with this one. Although it is starting to recover pretty nicely. So, again, guys, looking at this level, the 308 has been pretty significant resistance. We do want to clear that as well. But there was a big dump today, so we'll have to see. Breaking, Santander's Ripple powered payment system is now live. The OnePay FX app using Ripple's XRP on-demand liquidity allows near instant cross-border money transfers, real-world adoption at scale. So this is huge. I believe I showed this in my last video. XRP dominance is about to smash through an 8-year downtrend. So this is a really big deal too. If we do go to the dominance chart real quick, let's take it to the weekly. And what you can see, guys, is, yeah, we are coming out of the woods here, potentially getting ready to make a massive, massive move. Potentially something along these lines. Although you could say that this was the trend here. I believe in this chart. Let's take a look. It looks like they have it from the absolute wicks. So in that case, this is how they have it drawn. Bear with me here. So it looks like something like this, guys. Something like that. I mean, that's a sketchy drawing. That's kind of a sketchy, in my opinion. But what the heck. Either way, XRP is on its way to revisiting previous highs and making new highs. As you can see, we've had this massive move up. We got resistance here. We pulled down. Boom, we're getting resistance again. We zoom in a little bit. You can see we are battling the resistance line here that I drew. Once we break that, we are on our way back up to new highs, potentially, revisiting old highs and then making new highs. So I would think that the next level for dominance is going to be the 0000104 range. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's take it day by day, week by week. But ultimately, XRP has been looking bullish. XRP has been looking very strong. It's been looking good. And I am very excited for this week ahead. I appreciate every single one of you guys tuning in. And I will keep you guys updated along the way. Till next time.
3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen,